Hey, so just wanted to quickly show you something that's actually caught me out a couple of times. Well, probably more than a couple of times actually. I kind of get a little bit excited when it comes to sourcing products. Yeah, it's definitely caught me out a few times. So let me just jump in and show you. So I've come across this product on Kagita. Now, it doesn't matter where you're sourcing your products from. This can happen, you know, at any point. So I've got this product, and then if we head over to Seller Amp, you can see here that, you know, we've got a lot of green ticks here. So we're selling over 1,000 a month of these products. So that's like really, really good. We can source it for £3.56 with that VAT included. Currently selling for 14, so like an ROI of over 100%. So it's all looking really, really good until you come across to your ranks and prices. So we can see the current price, we've got it at £14, but what should stand out is that there's no buy box. If there's no buy box, that's a good indicator that Amazon believe that this product is actually, the price of the product is currently like overly inflated, and that's why they're not displaying a buy box, because Amazon want us to be competitive. They want us to be able to bring in products and sell them at a competitive price. So if we go at his 30-day average, let's have a look at what the price has been. There we are, £5.9. So, and that's only just within the last 30 days. Now that could have been yesterday, it could have been 2 weeks ago, you know, but within the last 30 days, it was £5.9. 90 days, we're still at £5, £4.84, and then its all-time selling price is like £6.56. But I'd say that we are closer to the £5 mark over the last 6 months. So if we were to change this and we were to sell it for £5, you can see now it's a whole different story. We're now going to be making a loss. So if I was to source this product today and I was to purchase all 150 of these off of Kagita at this price, by the time they actually get here, you would probably find that they'd be back to like £5.9. You know, it'll probably be Amazon that have actually managed to get their stock back in, or another seller have managed to get some stock in, and that price will have come back down to where it usually is at around the £5 mark. So that's just something, you know, if something looks too good to be true, and I'm not saying they're always too good to be true, because sometimes you do come across some really good gems, just make sure you are doing proper research where you're looking to see, you know, is it around or is it more likely to be selling for, you know, something else. So yeah, like I said, it's caught me out a few times because I've just like come across stuff and thought, God, that's really good, I'm going to get that, and I've like added a load to my basket, and then I've ended up with them and thinking, oh, I'm just going to have to try and sell these through and, you know, move on to something else. So yeah, I hope that helps someone, you know, to not fall into that FOMO trap, a bit like what I did, especially in the early days. But yeah, just make sure you're always doing that research before you're, you know, you're actually stocking up on your products that you're sending into Amazon. So yeah, hope that helps, and I'll catch up with you all soon.